presenting an end-to-end, fully automated packing system. First, flat-packed boxes are unfolded and the bottoms are sealed. Next, items are organized together and placed in boxes. The system automatically identifies incomplete arrangements and removes them from packaging. Additional apparatuses are available throughout packaging to ensure seamless operation. Configurations support parallel lines at various packaging stages that have different processing rates. The system can also be configured to support products of different shapes and sizes.